SACO CFR News. In your freight news articles for this week, Airfreight rates spike despite dipping demand, Dell agrees to a Hapag-Lloyd acquisition deal, and cross-border facilitators cautiously optimistic about Maputo Corridor talks. For the full articles, please see the links down below.
In your Airfreight trade brief for this week, on the export side, the Qantas flight for 27 March has been cancelled. Qantas's flight dates effective 27 March will be on a day 1, 2, 3 and 6 until 1 May. Cargolux's fuel surcharge will increase to $1.30 effective 15 March. Astral's fuel surcharge will increase effective 21 March. The rate is dependent on the destination and the routing. Etihad supplementary charge will increase to $1.10 effective 23 March. On the import side, Shanghai console rates remain the same this week, and our Frankfurt console rates also remain the same with increases in fuel surcharges within the market. Selected global national holidays for the upcoming week can be found using the link down below.
And for your ocean trade brief, in the North American region, SHIPCO have issued advisories of amendments to their IMO surcharges and the introduction of an intermodal fuel surcharge effective from the 10th of April. In the UK, Northwest Continent and Mediterranean region, our Mediterranean services from Spain, Italy and Turkey are still facing delays in transshipment hubs of Algeciras, Las Palmas and Sines. An emergency operations surcharge has been announced by carriers coming into effect from mid-March. SACO CFR and our European partners have worked to delay the surcharge on trades as far as possible, and we have issued an advisory on the 11th of March relative to the implementation of the surcharge. We have also been advised by carriers that the emergency energy surcharge and the emergency fuel surcharge is being implemented in Europe for all land transport costs. In the Asia Pacific region, Hong Kong overborder trucking services remain suspended due to high COVID cases in the region. We have also received a notice from Shenzhen that they have been put into a temporary lockdown for the next 7 days, and all non-essential services will be suspended during this time. This includes our CFS. Port terminal operations will continue as normal, and a majority of businesses will have staff working from home. One Line has issued an advisory regarding the Kota Lawa, stating the following. As per the vessel operator's update, the Kota Lawa 071W has suffered from engine failure at sea, attributed to fuel quality on board. The vessel is drifting in the Indian Ocean en route to South Africa and resulting in further delays to containers on this vessel. And lastly, in African exports, SACO CFR has issued a trade advisory for amendments in payment terms for export shipments into Egypt. From the 1st of March, any shipments over the value of $5,000 cannot be shipped under CAD terms and must be moved under bank letter of credit. For the full ocean trade brief, please see the links down below.
Thank you for watching SACO CFR News. We'll see you again next week.